Hey, how's it going? I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and I've got another small video for you guys, nothing too crazy, just an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 3 that I picked up the other day. Now, you're probably wondering why I didn't get the Series 4, and I think I'll cover that in an upcoming video, but the summary of it is basically, it's a lot more money for a redesign that I don't think I need right now. I think it looks awesome, and I want it, but I decided to save a little and get the Series 3, so I'll probably end up doing a video on that specifically pretty soon. But for now, here's the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 3 if you're curious, and yeah, enjoy. I'm about to unbox the Apple Watch Series 3. I just picked this up from the source, and yeah. So this is the 42mm space gray model, and without further ado, sorry for the kind of poor lighting and everything, but we're gonna unbox this, so let's get right into that. Alright, so I'll start by taking off the plastic. Take off the top. Designed by Apple in California, naturally. And there is the Apple Watch. So let's pull that out. There we are. Wow, okay, let's see really quickly here what else we have in the box before we get to that. We have the charger, we have the charging brick, nothing too special. And with the paperwork, we have some manual stuff. Wow, there's actually a lot here. Wow, okay. Looks like a replacement band or something like that. Very cool. Da-da-da-da-da. None of this is important. There's a lot, though. I'm actually surprised. Alright, that's enough of that. Here's the actual Apple Watch. So let's take the plastic off. If I can. Somehow. Oh, there we go. So I'll click it, see if we can turn it on here. Maybe completely dead, might have to charge it. Yeah, I think it is. That's unfortunate. But there it is. That's the unboxing experience for a Series 3 Apple Watch. Pretty basic, straightforward. So now I'm going to boot this up and we'll get it started. Okay, so we're now booting up for the first time here. The Apple Watch is very nice. It's thicker than the Series 0, which is what I had. It's actually on my wrist right there. So that's interesting. It looks nice. It looks fine. It looks pretty much exactly like the Series 0. You can see here, we're going to need to pair it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. One thing I absolutely love about Apple Watches is how easy it is to pair it. Like, literally all I have to do is that popped up and I just put it in the camera, like so. Bam, done. It's that easy. Now I just get to set up. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the Apple Watch Series 3 unboxing. Not a whole lot to show. I will have a review coming very soon, so look forward to that. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.